Yeah, hi. So today we will check how we can swap using Java 8 lambdas is functional approach. Although there is no direct swap function using lambdas, you can represent swapping with a lambda-like behavior. Though it is not strictly necessary, here functional style approach using a mutable container such as list. So let's start this one. Public static void main here is formatting system dot out dot print ln. This is before web numbers. So here we will create one function and after this we will print this function also. So after swap numbers. So let's create this is public static void swap list t t span list dot get I list dot set. What will you do? I list dot get. This is j list dot set I, and we will take temp also here. This program is completed. Let's run this one. So t time list dot set I list dot get j list dot set I temp So here I will take j, and this is the temp variable, and when I run this program, so it is swapping this one. Before it swap, it is 5 10. After swap, this is 10 and 5. So it's running fine here. Thank you very much. So now today we will check one more way to swap numbers. So this is swap two variables using XOR, means exclusive OR. This is a trick that works without using an extra variable, but use bitwise XOR operations. However, it should be used carefully as it less readable component to other methods. So let's check this one. So mm, let's take two variables. A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 10. Let's print these variables. Now we will create a swap. A is equal to A, B exclusive or B is equal to A, B. This is step 2, and step 3 is, so in this way we can do A, A exclusive or B, then B, A exclusive or B. So let's check uh, by using this system.out.println. After swap, B. So before swap, the value is A is equal to 5, B is equal to 10, but after swap, A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 5. And it's working fine. Thanks for watching this one. Yeah, hi. So today's problem statement is swap two variables by introducing a temporary variable. So let's start this one. Um, Public static void main. We will take one variable is equal to 5 and B is equal to 10. Now system dot out dot println what's this? Before swap A equal to A is equal to B. So we will take first temporary variable, which is A. Then A is equal to B and B is equal to 10. Now we will print their value. So before swap, number is A is equal to 5, B is equal to 10. But after swap, the number will be A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 5. Thank you. We will check other ways to solve these problems. We can swap numbers without temporary variable also. So let's check how we can do. Um, Government government is equal to 10. B is equal to 10 and if we will take this one 5, 10. This is system dot out dot print ln. So before swap A is equal to A is equal to B. So what we are doing, we are swap number without temporary variable. So we will use A is equal to A plus B. So here A becomes 15 and then B is equal to A minus B. So here B becomes 5. Then what we will do? A is equal to A minus B. Then A becomes 10 here. So after swap, you So what we are doing here, int a is equal to 5, int b is equal to 10. So we will check before swap how it will be there. A is a and b we are printing here. Then b is equal to a minus b and a is equal to a minus b. So here we can check. So a is 5. Now after swap a is 10. B is 10 before. Now after swap b is equal to 5. Thank you. So here we will use collections. So Java 8 list and collection dot swap method we will use here. So although this is generally useful for collection of data, it can be used to swap just two elements. So let's start this one. We are taking list, which is integer type. And there is list. Uh, we have 5 and 10 element. So we will check on the values of this A and B. Now we will use the method of collection dot swaps. It is in Java dot util collections dot method. Swap method we will use here and print numbers 0, 1. After swap. So before swap number is 5 and 10 and after swap let's check what will be the number. So I am clearing the cache and running this program. So here we can see that before swap number is 5 and 10, but after swap 10 and 5, and we are using the collection dot swap method to swap the numbers. Thank you. Hey, so another problem statement is we need to sort strings by length and then alphabetically. So let's start this one. Sort string, as you will create here, and this is public static void main string URLs and list. This is a string type. words. Is equal to is as list, and list is first word is apple, then next word is bat, another word is banana, then last word is cat. So this is our list, and we'll take one more list, and it is also string type and sorted going to words dot string function we will use here. Words dot string dot this is sorted, and sorted we will use one comparator comparator int we will take here, and this is string length we are taking here. After this, what we will do, we will comparing in the natural order. We will do compare in the natural order in this way. And it will return list. So let's check the output of this program. For this, I am writing system.out.println. This is sorted. So our list is this apple, bat, banana, cat, and this is the program which we have right here. String dot sorted method we will use, and comparator dot comparing in string dot length, because first we are checking the length and then we are comparing the natural order of this list, and finally we are printing this list by using system.out.println. So let's run this program and check the output. So our output is bat, cat, apple, banana. Here we can see that it has sorted by length, and it is sorted by the alphabetically order also. B comes first, then C, and apple, because that is smaller than in length by apple. Okay, fine. Thank you. Hi, so today's problem statement is we will use optional class to avoid non-pointer exception. Class name will be sapient. And here, this is public static void main string arrays, and what input will be null here, and then integer and length often board often level we will use, and variable class will be passing an input, and the map method, and what we are going to, we will calculate the length here, and 0. Now we will print the output and telling length we will print. So let's check what it will display. So here we can see the input string is null and it is not giving null pointer exception, and we are getting the result. This is 0. Thank you. Here we will check one more method. This is flat map. So how it works? So flatten a list of lists using flat map. Let's check this one. So look, static word name. You take list here. The list is also a list of integer. List. Yes. There is list. There is list. There is your list. Access 3, 4. Next one is 5. Now integer. Let list of lists dot string method we will say. Then let map we will use, and the flat map elections or string string we will use it. Then collect sorry. Now let's check the output of this program. So what we are doing here, this is a list of lists. Array, first array list is 1, 2. Second array list is 3, 4, and last array list is 5. And we are using the flat map method here. So let's see what's it in the output. So here we can see that it combines all the array list in a one list. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is working fine. Thank you very much. Yeah, hi. So problem statement is create a custom collector to join all strings into one uppercase string. Let's start. public static void main string alias arguments. So the list is string type and love is equal to this alias as a list, and this is hello world Java. Mm, Result is equal to words dot string dot collect, and here we will use collectors dot uh, collectors dot collecting. This we will use and yes, collectives dot joining, and uh, we join here string collectives. So let's print the output of this program. So here we can see it joins the characters words hello words are here, and all our words are in uppercase letter. Thank you. We will check the other problem statement. So other problem statement is partition a list into even and odd numbers. Use collectors dot partition by to split a list into even and odd numbers. So let's start this problem statement. First, we will use this public static void main this list is integer type, numbers. There is load as list, and list is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we will take map, and it is boolean. This list is integer. Variable is called is equal to numbers dot string dot collect collectors dot partition by n n equal to 0. Now the system dot out dot println we will print the even numbers. This is partition dot get to odd numbers false. Let's check it is given or not. So if we can check here, even numbers 2, 4, 6 and odd numbers 1, 3, 5, it means it is working fine here. Thanks. Hi, so today's problem statement is find the maximum number using reduce. It starts public static word name radius. Let's take one list which will be of integer type. Numbers. List is 10, 5, 15 and 8. Now int max is equal to numbers dot string dot reduce method, and this is integer dot main value integer method reference max we will take here. Let's check the output of this program. So max number is 15 here. If it is printing 15, then it's okay. Yeah, it is printing 15. This is correct. So here we will check parallel stream to speed up processing. So, public static void name this is list usage of integers, right? And this is numbers. Array list. Take one for loop here, and I is equal to 1. There is more than plus and numbers dot add I in some this is numbers dot parallel string we will take here dot reduce method, and under reduce we will use 0. This is integer method reference sum here. We are adding and then system out in Thailand and it will return the sum. Let's check the output of the program. Yeah, it is written. So this is the use of parallel string in Java 8. Let's check other problem statement. Yeah, hi. So today's problem statement is count word frequency. So let's start this program. This is public static void string args list, which will be a string type, words, here is list, apple, banana, then apple, then orange, then we have those again. So this is the list. Then we will take one map here. This parameter is string, and now this is word frequency. Was dot string dot select records routing well function identity records counting system dot out parental link will print word frequency. Let's check the output of this program. So here we can see this orange is coming one time, banana is coming two times, and apple is coming three times. So here another problem statement is sum of all numbers using reduce methods. So we have a given a list of integers, and we will use reduce methods to find the sum. So let's start this statement problem. So public static void main string js, and this list is integer numbers is equal to values as list 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. So these are the integer values. So what we will do, we will sum of these integer by using the reduce methods. So let's take numbers dot string function we will use here. Then reduce method. In the reduce method, we will pass 0. This is integer. Uh, Method reference and sum will use in the. Okay. Let's print this value. So if it is printing footprint, then it's correct. Let's check the output of this program. Yeah, it is printing footprint. That's correct. Thank you very much. Hey, so today's problem statement is this is given a list of integers using Java 8 streams to return a list of the squares of all even numbers. For example, suppose this is our input 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and our output will be just like 4 and 16. Let's start this one. Public static void main alias. We will say dist is of integer type numbers array as list, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So list which is of integer type, and this is even square with one variable here. And what we will do, we have our numbers dot stream function we will use here. Then we will use a filter method. In the filter method, we write a logic. This is n lambda person, and this is type 4 and filter 0. Yeah. So dot math we will use here. Then because we need to get the square. So n, n this is so multiply n. Okay, then dot connect. We will take this to list. Then system dot out dot println. So we will print the even squares. So let's check the output of this program. So now we will get the output of this is 4 and 16, which is correct. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, hi. So today's statement problem is first non-repetitive character using string. Let's check this one. Uh, Public static void main string args args and then string input is equal to success character result input dot gets dot map to object c here and then c. We are converting to character. This is a stream of prints. Now collect this collectors collectors dot grouping by function dot identity and as map new collectors dot counting dot entry set dot stream then dot filter condition and free and free dot get value into 1. This is map uh, map dot entry get key Dot find first, or else what it will be, we will pass in null here, and now this program is completed. Print the value of this one, system dot out guideline result. So let's check the output of this program. So here input string is success, SUCCESS. So the first non-repeated character using instance, it should return U in this case, because S is repeating here, U is not repeating here. Let's check the output. Yeah, so it is printing U, it means it is correct. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, hi. So today's problem statement is create a program by using Java 8 features, convert Roman numbers into digits. Let's start. So step and first we will take one map. Please type in find a map and feature. So first character, character. Then the second we will take as integer, and Roman output is variable name. Map dot. So now we will map some values here. First by 5 or 1. We or 5. That's 10. And that 15. So, and D, it will be 5. The last method is M, and value will be 1 without 7. So we will take one input. This is Roman number. This is variable. And our output will be MCM. Let's see. V1 I So this is the input. So after converting this Roman number to two digits, it will return 1994. Let's check see how it will return. So then to result, we create one method for this one. For one to int and this is a Roman number. Okay. Let's create one method public static. Method name is Roman. It will take string as an input and its return type will be int. And it will return int string or branch. And this one we use to iterate over the string. And hash dot length we will take there. Then dot map I so problem now dot set as the at dot if I int next this one as dot length Roman length dot that as dot f dot I plus 1. So what we are doing here, for each character, it compares the current and next Roman numeral to determine if the current one should be added or subtracted. So what we have done, current next, then it will be minus current, otherwise current. Method is completed. Now we will check the output of this method. Without 6 So let's run this program and check the output. So it is returning 1994. Thanks.